Hi guys. Today join me as we learn the correct sounds of the English alphabet. This is letter A and it sounds A as in apple. This is letter B and it sounds B as in ball. This is letter C and it sounds K as in cat. This is letter D and it sounds D as in dog. This is letter E and it sounds E as in egg. This is letter F and it sounds F as in fish. This is letter G and it sounds G as in gate. This is letter H and it sounds H as in house. This is letter I and it sounds E as in ink. This is letter J and it sounds J as in jug. This is letter K and it sounds K as in kite. This is letter L and it sounds L as in lion. This is letter M and it sounds as in monkey. This is letter N and it sounds N as in net. This is letter O and it sounds O as in orange. This is letter P and it sounds P as in pen. This is letter Q and it sounds Q as in queen. This is letter R and it sounds R as in rat. You know, you know. This is letter S and it sounds S as in snake. This is letter T and it sounds T as in tea. This is letter U and it sounds as in umbrella. This is letter V and it sounds V as in violin. This is letter W and it sounds W as in watermelon. This is letter X and it sounds X as in X-ray. This is letter Y and it sounds Y as in yam. This is letter Z and it sounds Z as in zebra. Now you know the correct pronunciation of each letters of the alphabet. Next, we are going to try blending them together in the next lesson. Don't miss it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.